Hi guys, I'm sure you're wondering why I'm rushing going downstairs. So I'm going for hiking and my friend is waiting for me downstairs. So I have to go and meet her now. I'm so late. Eniola the late comer. But yeah, this is my first time going for hiking. I'm so excited and I'm going to show you guys the experience. So do enjoy.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Good morning.
Morning.
I'm like, hey, you made us late.
Are you wearing bucket cap for hiking?
Yeah.
Is it going to be really sunny?
No, there's shade.
Okay.
Yeah, there's shade, but it's
guys, this is Michelle. Say hi. I'm sure you guys would know her so before.
Oh, this thing. I'm mad. Jeez, this is kind of fire.
It's not even.
Eh?
Come here. I think this one is reflecting.
Oh,
Yes.
mad.
We are hiking and we are here. Okay, excited I am. My first time. Let's go.
We active. We active. We boys are active. Gege. Come on, let me join.
Say hi, Dami.
You were introducing me. I was like, wait, am I?
Oh, you met already.
Hello, how was the trip? Hey, gang.
So you say you're a photographer, right?
I am a photographer.
Aww,
Snap pictures.
that's good.
This trail was
Our trip. What they call them? Those people that used to talk. What they call them?
tour guide.
A tour guide.
I know that. I know it was
Continue
a
now.
problem. That was the
Continue.
reason she wore
That's
beige
all.
on beige. What beige on black?
Our tour guide here. Say hi.
Oh yeah, now give them, leg.
Omo, thank God that we're all together. It's giving Dora the Explorer.
She even came with it.
I'll get it. Thank you.
Don't worry. My sister are there with you. We don't end up below, bro.
We don't. Yeah, that's what exactly.
Wow.
Wow, this place you cannot walk at night though. Or else you are gone. You are a goner.
What will you two be doing there?
But you know all those movies that they smoke that they will just casually walk in this thing.
Like you now come and see somebody
You're not gonna see someone.
in a white bed.
And my dear.
Zoom.
Don't start saying zoom now.
Any kind of doctor is a doctor.
You know, ever since Michelle started this fitness, this thing.
Bro, I've been on fire.
Hey,
That's good. I want to be like you when I grow up.
my sister.
Come and show me the circuit. We need the
Show
circuit.
walkings.
We need the circuit.
Show us the walkings. It's not by two doings. Hey, Michelle man, look.
I've been Wait, you guys, why you walking fast? I better go. We don't know anywhere. Oh. Me, I'm a stranger here. Oh.
It's a very easy trail.
Okay. But we need to work together. We're in this together.
Michelle is saying this is an easy train.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kide, can you believe Michelle can utter such words? Such phrases?
Let me just remove my
Trail?
glasses.
Wow.
See our mate.
No, that one is not my name.
That was a good one.
that one senior me.
Agbaz.
She's here.
She's here, yeah.
Oh,
She came
like you get to
visiting.
visit you. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
so
nice.
we're doing it together.
Oh, that is so nice.
Because doing this alone, we did it like 2 days.
What me do?
This alone is painful.
Is this weave on?
Yeah, this is no, this is not before. No, this is attachment.
Wait, how do we know which map? Yeah.
Michelle.
See now, they don't even know which area we are moving to.
Did they ask you
Easy
what?
train, Michelle.
We could just pull the trigger and go that way.
Huh?
It's surprising you're the leader here.
Thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Everybody's going up. Let's go
You're
up.
our tour guide.
We'll
Our
never
tour
go
guide,
down. Hey, look like you could be a query. Hey, that means see the bravery. The bravery is there. And she's the only one here that came here for vibes. So look at her climbing mountain. Going for the vibes, she's climbing mountain.
Hey, Michelle. Guys, coming down is crazy. Coming down is Damn, you okay?
Wash it. Oh yeah, now, Damini.
Be careful. Yeah.
Yeah, that's for sure. Crochet mountain climber. Mad. Jeez, see son. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Alright. That's kind of fire, Jack.
Like, it's really nice view.
Yeah, this ain't bad, actually.
Guys, we passed the wrong way, so we have to go through a crazy pathway.
Fearless leader.
Please, Obi, be careful so you don't follow. Hey. Hey, this is scary, yo. This is scary.
You got it. Got you.
God. Oh.
You want me to hold your phone?
Yes, please.
Any money.
This is work, guys. We made it work. We made it work. Guys, we're done with the hiking and we're heading back home. Then I have to do some chicken and meet up with my friends later today. So, guys,
Were you the friend that she was supposed to bring yesterday?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Clap for yourself.
I clap for myself. So guys, I'm on my way right now. I'm rushing. I made some chicken. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and everything. So yeah, let me just enter the car. Oh, hey guys, so now we're headed to the brunch where I made some yummy chicken. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks so you guys can see and salivate on my chicken. So on our way, then after we're going for bowling.
I don't disgrace myself.
Don't worry, don't worry. We're rooting for you. We're rooting for you. That's no bad. Nah. Try.
That was the worst